Come on, color the dino picture and bring him back to life. This is a picture of an Allosaurus. Let's start coloring from Allosaurus first. Color it with maroon. Paint the whole body with this color. For the stripes, we color them black. From the front of the neck, stomach to the bottom of the tail, we will color it with two colors, pale orange and light orange. Light orange. Light orange. Pale orange. Pale orange. For the ground where the Allosaurus is standing, color it dark green. Dark green. Small rocks, color them brown. Green for this. Light green. For mountains that emit lava, color them gray. The lava is colored orange in the middle. Then becomes a slightly reddish orange. And lava splattered grains, colored red. Green. For the tree trunk, color it brown. Brown. Then stripes, light brown. We will color the leaves with two colors, dark yellow and yellow. dark yellow. 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 Sky background. Color it with light blue. I will explain a little about this dinosaur. Allosaurus is a very large and majestic dinosaur. It is like the king of the jungle in ancient times before there was a T-Rex. Its body is tall with the strong hind legs to run after its food, and it has the small horns above its eyes, which makes it look very cool. Although its hands are not very long, Allosaurus has 3 fingers equipped with sharp nails to hold something, and its mouth is full of sharp serrated teeth to help it eat voraciously in the vast world of dinosaurs. The cool dinosaur coloring is done. Let's bring it back to life.